Hey, what's up everyone? It is Thais here. Welcome back to the channel. If you're on a journey to healthier, longer, and stronger natural hair, especially through holistic methods, you are in the right place, girl. Today, we're going to be diving into an ancient Ayurvedic ritual that your scalp and hair will thank you for, the hot oil treatment. Now I will be pouring one packet of my herbs into a glass airtight jar. So the combination of these herbs consists of fenugreek, curry leaves, senna flowers, rose petals, tulsi leaves, and many other things that are great for dandruff, dryness, split ends, and also promoting hair growth. So it is recommended to add 8 ounces of carrier oil to the herbs. So I'm using Jamaican black castor oil and extra virgin olive oil for this oil infusion. This is how my oil infusion looks after 2 weeks of allowing it to sit in a cool, dark cupboard. So a lot of the oil has soaked up all of the nutrients of the herbs by now, and this is optimum for getting the best results. So now we're going to be straining that oil by pouring it into a strainer so that the herbs can be separated from the oil while retaining all of the nutrients that it received. So now you're going to press that herbs down so that you can extract even more oil from the herbs. So to prepare for the hot oil treatment, you want to pour that mixture into a plastic bottle that has a comb applicator at the ends. This is going to make application a lot easier when it comes to getting to the scalp, while also bringing that treatment down the length of the hair. And then you want to actually boil some water in a stove top, bring it to a boil, and then turn off the stove, and then put your applicator bottle into that hot water and allow it to sit for about 5 minutes so that you can heat up the oil without losing too much of its nutrients. Now I am prepping for my hot oil treatment. So hot oil treatments are best done on your wash day as a pre-poo. This way you get to rinse out that oil and you're not walking around with super oily hair. So this is how my hair looks after 1.5 weeks. And now I will be just separating my hair so that it can be easier to work with. And then I spray a little bit of water on my hair so that the oil can have something to cling to. I don't know why. I just like to apply oil to damp hair. It just makes sense to me versus completely dry hair. Now you're going to be applying that oil in sections directly to the scalp and then bring it down the length of the hair. Remember that this is more than a treatment, it is actually a ritual. So as you apply that oil to the scalp, you want to massage in circular motions for about 5 to 10 seconds at a time before you move on to the other parts of the hair. Ayurveda teaches us that a balanced scalp is the key to thriving hair. This routine calms the mind, nourishes the follicles, and stimulates blood flow to promote hair growth. So when you massage that oil into the scalp, you're actually allowing all the nutrients from those herbs to penetrate deeper into the hair follicles. Now that the hair is fully saturated, use a massage tool to go even deeper with that massage. So the massage tool pushes the nutrients further into the scalp versus just using your fingers. It is also even more relaxing, helping to calm the mind, helping to promote hair growth while also boosting the health of our scalp. The last step of the hot oil treatment is to cover with a plastic cap or a warm towel and allow that to sit for at least 1 hour so that your hair and scalp can have time to absorb the nutrients and benefits of all of the herbs and oils in there. So afterwards, you want to rinse out your hair, shampoo, and condition as usual to reap all of the benefits.